Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on operating the G20 USV remote controller. Let's go through every key control one by one. First, the power button. Hold it long to power the remote on or off. A single short tap puts the screen to sleep or wakes it up. Next are the joysticks. Push the left joystick forward to move the boat ahead. Hold back to reverse. The distance you push sets travel speed. Move the right joystick left to turn port, right to turn starboard. Now the GS switch lever. Push the lever to the top and the USV will be unlocked. Push the lever to the middle or below, the USV will be locked, and the propeller will not work at this time. This is to ensure that the USV is absolutely safe. For example, you need to manually switch to the unlock mode after power on. Let's cover the H button. When auto mode is active, tap the H key. Once the light turns green, the boat will auto-return to its starting point. Then the pump mode button. Tap once to enter manual mode, fully steerable via joysticks. Tap again to switch to auto mode, supporting return path planning, constant speed cruise, and pre-plotted survey lines. Mid-auto survey. Tap pump to switch to manual for on-site manual intervention. Tap it once more to revert to auto, and the vessel resumes survey from the break point. On the side, you'll find a Type-C port. It charges the remote and links the controller to your PC for data transfer. You can copy all survey data to your computer for review and post-processing. Lastly, the indicator lights. The left signal light stays solid when the remote connects to the boat bridge. It blinks if connection fails. The 5 right side LED bars show remaining battery power of the controller. That's all core functions of the G20 remote. Thanks for watching.